Hello students, welcome to Rec TV. This is Kalyan and I am the faculty of Mathematics and Physics. So in this session also we are going to discuss, we are going to do two similar type of problems based on the trigonometric identities. Let us solve them. Just see, here we need to show that 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta equal to secant theta minus tan theta to that whole square. Okay, so let us solve this first. Take the LHS part and we need to obtain the RHS. Now take this LHS part. What is this LHS? 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Now do one thing. In order to solve this in terms of secant and tan, better we do multiply and divide with 1 minus sin theta. Exactly here 1 plus sin theta is there in the denominator part, no? So let us take opposite sign and multiply with that factor. That means 1 minus sin theta is multiplied on both numerator and denominator part, or else we can say multiplied and divided by 1 minus sin theta. So we did this. Now just tell me, 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta in numerator part would be how much? 1 minus sin theta whole square by 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Again this is in the form of what? A plus b into a minus b. So that would be how much? A square minus b square, right? So a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b would be a square minus b square. Here in denominator part 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, we can consider 1 as a and sin theta as b. Then we can write it as, just see. Okay. Now here a into a plus b into a minus b, we can write this as 1 square minus sin square theta, means a square minus b square. And of course this can be 1 square can be written as 1. Okay, so now 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus sin theta whole square by, this is 1 minus sin square theta, this is 1 and minus sin square theta, 1 minus sin square theta. Now tell me, here 1 minus sin square theta, from the basic identity, how can we write this? Sin square theta, see here, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. From this 1 minus sin square theta means, how can we rearrange this? If you send this sin square theta to another side of the equation, plus becomes minus, signs are changed. So cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So here we can replace this 1 minus sin square theta with cos square theta or not? Exactly, we can replace with that. So 1 minus sin theta whole square by 1 minus sin square theta can be replaced by what? Cos square theta. That's it. Here's just see, here cos square theta, here also exponent value is 2 and here also exponent value is 2, as we know that a to the power of m by b to the power of m. Now when for two different bases there is a common exponent value or there is a common power, then we can write in common a by b whole to the power of m. We can write same, that would be 1 minus sin theta by cos theta to that whole power square. Understood? To that whole square we can write. Now here inside the bracket we can separate the fractions. That would be 1 by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta whole square. Now 1 by cos theta, again I said, okay, cos and secant are reciprocals of each other. So therefore 1 by cos theta can be rewrite as what? Secant theta, and cos theta by sin theta. What is the ratio of sin and cos ratios? Tangent or not? Tan theta. So therefore this would be tan theta whole square. Is it a result which is required or not? Exactly. So therefore we obtained RHS. So we took LHS part and we obtained RHS. So the same process we can do here also. Take LHS part, 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta into. So here what is the denominator part? 1 plus cos theta, no? So just change the sign of cos and multiply and divide with this with that factor. What is that? 1 plus cos theta is given in the denominator. Now we need to take 1 minus cos theta. That means we need to divide and multiply the entire fraction with 1 minus cos theta. Okay, here 1 minus cos theta. Okay, so that would be your 1 minus cos theta whole square by, here again this is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b will be again a square minus b square. That means it can be written as a is 1, no. So therefore 1 square minus b is cos theta. So therefore cos square theta. So here again this can be rewritten as 1 minus cos theta whole square by 1 square is 1 itself minus cos square theta. Now again from basic identity, what can we say? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. If you replace this cos square theta to another side, not replacing, send this to another side. So that means sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So that means what can we say here? 1 minus cos square theta can be replaced by sin square theta. Is that right or not? We can substitute. Is there in the denominator part? We can write this sin square theta. 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. Again